So, unemployment is like a disease which is deteriorating and exploiting the peoples and the poor, not only in the India but on the world at whole level.
Unemployment is not because of lack of opportunity, it's just because lack of skills.
Unemployment can lead depression, suicide thought also. It can force people to do criminal activities like robbery and drug abuse also.
Our government it's decrease for data just like it they are include our some new chapters just like it improve our skills and in college time.
Rising population is the most cause of the unemployment, because as India is the most populous state, the unemployment rates are higher in the India.
Somewhere our Indian educational system is responsible for the unemployment.
And people are depending only jobs. They don't want to start their own business.
Unemployment is a
Yes, definitely unemployment is the biggest problem for us, but our government is trying to best for decrease for this data because in I am studying college then type they are add new chapters. Five chapters, five syllabus are new add just like it improve our skills in this communication skill and farming and eco farming and new other things.
People often blames government for unemployment, that they're saying that government is doesn't creating job opportunities, whereas the problem is in the mindset of people. People don't want to do blue collar jobs. They are treated with the low level, that a government job is treated with respect. So the most important cause which are rising in unemployment is that the mindset of people.
Unemployment because you think that some jobs are not valuable, but all the jobs are more valuable. Not only the government jobs are valuable, because we also earn so many money from other other jobs, and on also from where also from those jobs who based on our skill.
Increasing population is the most most big reason of unemployment, because in our country jobs are limited, seats are limited, and jobs are not increasing. So unemployment day by day increasing, and the another reason is lack of education. So how any company they hire candidates, they don't have a skill education.
Businessmen are told that don't have employee, and the youth are told that we don't have job. So problem is where is problem? Problem is that the businessmen are need for skilled person, but the youth are need, but youth don't have skilled. So skill is a most problem.
Another biggest reason of unemployment in India is, not only in India but on all the world, is technology. Technology is causing the loss of jobs to many. The works which are done by humans, which are done by peoples, are now done by machines and factories. Like when computers are came to India and took world, a lot of many peoples lost their job, and they have fallen into the state of depression, and they have committed suicide, and their family conditions deteriorated. So the technology like ChatGPT, and now China launched his another DeepSeek. These are capable of doing such things which we are needed people to do. So technology is causing the loss of jobs to many.
Our education system is very poor, because our education system is theoretical, not to practical. So our government should change the our education system.
Yes, definitely. But our youth is don't understand for they are attract for a wrong way. Just like it, they are drink alcohol and drink and smoking also. So it's a problem. If we then don't when they don't go this side and they are improve our skill and they are use our mind, then after they are easily get jobs and they are create new jobs and based upon our skills and they do startups.
Conclusion. Sir, एक और point. Just, from time to time, government also launches schemes and various skill education and apps to promote education and communication skills among the youth. But the problem is corruption. The corruption is the biggest reason. The skills, the organizations which are funded by government doesn't get what they are needed. So the youth also get used to that government works this way, we will also work this way. So they have developed their mindset that all people are corrupt and I shouldn't have to do initiative. They think that nothing will change, so they believe on that thing and they keeps on remain unemployed.
So, conclusion is unemployment is not because of government, just because we are equally responsible of it. Then we also listen if IDOM from a long time that we can't change the world, but we start changing with our own self. So we develop our skills and we try to overcome the unemployment.
After COVID-19, unemployment is increasing, and क्या था वो conclusion? If we want our India is free from unemployment, we take some decisions. Our government should change the education system and yes.
Thank you for listening with us.
So we all know unemployment is the biggest reason which are we facing today as a youth. So to tackle this problem like corruption, like unemployment, we have to start with ourselves. We have to create more jobs. Like we have to learn skills like communication skill. Like I learn communication skill, I can teach other person these skills. Whatever I knows, I can teach other person and I can create more jobs. Unemployment is not only a problem for India but all over the world. We have to manage our population. First of all, we have to manage our population because we don't have the limited resources. We don't have that resources. These all will exhaust in some times. So we have to widen our perspective and we have to think we have to creatively think. Like we have to innovate industries, we have to innovate startups, and government should also support these local foundation, and we can start with our family. We can change their mindset that these jobs like plumbing are also equally important as the job a doctor does. So to tackle this unemployment issue, we should work together so we can develop our nation to a developed country. Thank you.